Welcome you guys. Welcome to Kiran Swati NEET tutorials. Now we are going to discuss about remaining underground stem modifications. The third one is stem tuber. So here it is a underground stem modification, right? So that's why it is present. That stem it is present inside the soil. It is the surface of the soil. So that stem it is present inside the soil. Here it will produce various branches. The swollen apex of a branch we call as stem tuber. The swollen apex in a branch we call as stem tuber. So how it is becomes swollen? So because it stores a food material, so that's why it become swollen. So what type of food material it is present in this stem tuber? So that is a starch. So example for this one is what? So that is a Solanum tuberosum, potato. So we will take one potato and we will discuss in brief, right? So it is a potato. It is surrounded by brown color periderm. Here there is no adventitious roots. Here the adventitious roots are absent. And here it is also having some ice-like structures. Right? So these are the ice-like structures, and along with that axillary buds, so it is helps in a vegetative propagation. If you will separate this part and put into the soil, later it will produce a new plant, right? So it is about a stem tuber. So next one is bulb. What about bulb? So in bulb, the stem it is modified into a disc-like structure, a biconvex structure. So here it is a stem. The stem it is modified into biconvex-like structure. So below that stem, here it will produce adventitious roots. So these are adventitious roots. It is comes from this stem. So here the compressed nodes and internodes in a bulb. So here it is having a apical bud. So it is apical bud. So here the apical bud it will gives what? So it will gives a shoot. So axillary bud it will gives a new bulb, right? So it is a apical bud. So it will gives a shoot. So here the axillary bud it will gives a new bulb. So it is helps in a vegetative propagation. So here it is the bulb it is surrounded by dry scaly leaves. If you will take an onion, so that is an example for a bulb. So that onion it is surrounded by dry scaly leaves. So that is called as a tunics. So that dry scaly leaves are called as what? Tunics. If it is present, so that bulb it is called as a tunicated bulb. If it is absent, if the tunics it is absent, so then we call as it is a naked bulb. So if it is absent, what we call as that one? So that one we call as a naked bulb. and along with that, so here it is having a fleshy scale leaves. So we are eating na in onion. So that fleshy scale leaves function is what? So it is helps in a storage of food. So here the fleshy scale leaves it is helps in a storage of food, right? So it is about a bulb. So example for this one is Allium cepa, onion, right? So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.